Have a nice day, Mom and Sir. My name is Floppy Bustillo, 43-year-old, married with two kids, 9 and 11-year-old. I live in San Agustin East, Hagola, Union, Philippines. College level Bachelor of Science in Nursing. I work experience in Saudi Arabia for 4 years. I work in Family Arabic with 4 members, with 2 adults and 2 kids aged 7 and 10-year-old. They stay in 2-story house with 4 bedroom and 3 toilet. My duties and responsibilities: cooking, cleaning, ironing, car washing, take care of the kids, playing, and tutoring them. Mom and Sir, if you choose me as your house worker, I promise I will be hardworking, honest, cheerful, and treat your family as my own. Thank you.